Hello, my amazing students. Do you want to speak English fluently, with confidence, without fear? If your answer is yes, then stay with me, because today I will show you the easiest way to learn English naturally, step by step. Ready? Let's begin our journey to fluency.
Step 1. Change your mindset. The first step is not books, not grammar, not vocabulary. The first step is your mindset. If you keep saying English is difficult, your brain will block you. But if you say English is easy, your brain will open doors. Repeat after me. English is easy. I am improving every day. I can speak English.
Step 2. Surround yourself with English. You don't need to travel abroad to practice. You can create an English world right where you are. Change your phone's language to English. Think in English during your daily routine. For example, when you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you make tea, say, I am making tea. When you go outside, think, the weather is nice today. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Hello, how are you today? I'm feeling great. This small daily habit will grow your confidence. Step 3. Forget about grammar fear. Children don't start with grammar books. They listen. They copy. They speak. Grammar comes later, naturally. So, don't wait for perfect grammar. Start with simple sentences. I am eating. She is walking. They are playing. Practice these, and grammar will follow automatically. Daily practice examples. Morning. Good morning. I feel fresh today. Let me make tea. At the market. Excuse me, how much is this? Okay, I'll take 2 kilos. With a friend. Hey, how are you? Do you want to go for a walk? Evening. Today was busy, but I learned something new. That's all for part 1. You have learned mindset, daily habits, and easy sentences. In the next part, I will show you how to improve pronunciation, confidence, and how to start thinking in English directly. So don't miss part 2. It will change your fluency forever. Step 4. Improve your listening power. Fluency does not come only from speaking. It also comes from listening. Think about babies. Before they speak,
They listen for months. You must do the same. So listen to English every day. Don't worry if you don't understand 100%. Just enjoy the rhythm. Examples. Listen to English songs. Watch short English shows with subtitles. Follow podcasts like this one. When you listen more, your brain will automatically copy sounds, pronunciation, and natural tone. Repeat after me. I train my ears every day. My brain catches English easily.
Step 5. Speak without fear. Many learners know words. They know grammar, but they stay silent. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes. Let me tell you, mistakes are your best teacher. Every time you make a mistake, you grow stronger. So from today, promise yourself, I will speak, even if I make mistakes. Here is a daily practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Choose one topic: your day, your dream, your plan. Speak for 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. When you do this every day, your confidence will rise like the sun.
Step 6. Learn with real life. Don't only study from books. Use English in your real life. For example, at the shop, say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" On WhatsApp, text your friend in English. At home, say simple sentences aloud. I am cooking rice. I am cleaning the room. These small actions make English your daily partner. Step 7. Train your pronunciation. Pronunciation is like music. If you copy the music of English, people will understand you easily. So, how do we practice? Listen and repeat. Choose one short sentence. Say it 3 times, slowly. Say it 3 times faster. Say it 3 times with emotion. Example: I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. This builds clear and confident speaking.
Step 8. Build daily English routine. Fluency is not about one big effort. It's about small, daily practice. So here's a 5-minute routine for you. Morning. Say one positive English sentence. Today will be amazing. Afternoon. Think in English during lunch. I am eating rice. It tastes good. Evening. Speak 3 sentences in front of the mirror. Night. Write 1 line in English about your day. If you follow this simple routine, your fluency will grow day by day. Final motivation and recap. Let's remember what we learned today. Change your mindset. Surround yourself with English. Forget grammar fear. Improve listening. Speak without fear. Use real-life practice. Train pronunciation. Build daily routine. Step by step, your English will become natural. Don't rush. Don't worry. Just practice every day. Smile and say with me, English is easy. I am improving every day. I can speak English. Thank you for spending this time with me. Remember, practice daily, think positive, and never stop learning. This is your Daily English Flow podcast, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep flowing in English. Bye for now.